Hello, Larry. Hello, Kathy. Ah. Can't get it. Okay. Nice. Hey, puppy. Stay in the fence. Hey, you need a daisy pinwheel or whatever?
Yeah. Oh, that one's going crazy.
To say the least, it's windy today. The getting on is not good. The getting onto it's not fun either.
It's fine if you run up and grind on it.
Okay.
Your flip-flops are literally
Yeah.
coming apart.
I have flip-flops on.
Let's go! You said I had to stop. You couldn't breathe.
What are we doing?
High school water.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Let's go, Haley.
Pit stop over.
So hard living with the things you do to me. Oh, my things are getting so strange.
Did you get any sun today?
I think so.
Did you get any wind today?
A little bit. Show them the flag.
It's a little windy today.
Okay. See me? Hello. I push you really slow. Woohoo! Mama, look. Can you push me, Allie?
Oh. And my water bottle. Take off the shoes. Hammocking Sunday. What's today? April the who? April the 10th? Sunday the 10th. It's like 70 something degrees. If it wasn't windy, it'd be awesome.
elbow. Oh, I didn't hear him say St. Louis. I thought he said Illinois.
Well, it's just on the other side. It's
Oh, okay.
like just east of St. Louis.
That gross river that
Push me high.
I faster.
Push me faster.
I can't. Hey, only an hour and 25 more minutes of wind advisory.
Thank you.
That's spectacular. And then the storms come.
Storms are coming in tonight.
You get lonely on your daddy's farm. Just remember, I don't live too far. And there's a red bridge in Oxford Bay. Yes. You be- so get on your bed.
Baby, hide. Whoa. Baby, hide. Because I'm out of shape. We don't associate with it.
We're standing at the JV Hunt parking lot. Tracy and I just ate at Arby's down here in Lowell. These two are here just doing this. Come on.